Yo, welcome back to Jex Kicks, and today we have the piece embroidered work jacket from Supreme. And I had an unboxing planned for this video, but as soon as I was about to edit it, the whole video corrupted. So I guess this will just be a review, all right? So I have it on right now. I'm about to show you guys what it looks like on body and everything, and I'm gonna just let you guys know about all the cool details that's in here as well, and whether or not you guys should pick it up or not. All right, let's get right into it. By the way, I just did an unboxing for these, so if you guys want to check that out, make sure you guys check it out on the channel as well. But overall, here is the jacket on body, as you guys can see here. This is an extra large as well. Fits very nice. And I will be talking about what I feel about this jacket. Got the quilted inside as well. You guys know how I feel about that. But we'll get into that in just a second. Yeah, here's the back. Here's what it looks like zipped up without, putting the Velcro on. And then when you flip the Velcro on, this is what it looks like. Got the pockets right here as well. Really nice as well, as you guys can see. And this is the navy colorway, as you guys can tell by the red lettering. Now to give you guys a couple more details, yes, so there's a quilted inside, and you guys know how I feel. Any jacket that has a quilted inside, you know it's going to feel premium and it's going to just keep you warm. And this jacket does it. This jacket definitely keeps you warm as well, so it's really nice and very stylish. I actually like it. I mean, it just looks so nice. Like, it's comfy and you look nice in it, so I definitely recommend it. I know the price was pretty pricey, but hey, it's definitely worth the price as well. You got a little hanger thing right here as well. Again, here's what the back will look like. I know the lighting's a little bit crazy, but yeah, there you go. There's the back as well. For the pockets, I do want to let you guys know, obviously you got your front pockets, as I showed you guys when I had it on. Front pockets here. And there's also inner pockets on the left side as well, on the inner side. So you got some more pockets if you guys want to store some more stuff in there. And on the right side, there's no extra pockets as well. So that's pretty much everything. I've had this thing since launch. So I'm sorry for posting this video late, but I promise no more late uploads when it comes to these unboxings and stuff like that. Yeah, overall, I highly recommend it. If you guys were debating whether or not you guys should buy it, because I know a lot of you guys, even after the release, still pick them up for resale and stuff. Yes, I think you should pick this up. It's definitely dope. I mean, like, I just love the branding on the back. It looks really cool. It pops out. And I'm a guy that likes to wear stuff that, is low-key, but also sometimes if you want to just pop out like this, you can. And this definitely does it. Like the embroidered logo, the design on it, very high quality. Looks really nice in hand. Quality of the material feels, oh, that's my first time actually feeling this. Yeah, it feels really good too. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys get it, man. Piece embroidered work jacket for Supreme. Really nice. Definitely awesome, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Oh, and yes, I wanted to mention, yes, it has the collars and stuff, and the collar can go up like this, or you can fold it back like that as well. But that is pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this. And if you guys have any sizing questions you guys want to let me know, go ahead and drop in the comment section down below. And also subscribe to my main channel, Jex Gaming, as well. That way you guys can stay up to date with all the gaming news and stuff as well. But yeah, this is really cool. I highly recommend it, man. Definitely worth the price. And I have some more Supreme unboxings dropping very, very soon. And some more shoe unboxings. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel for that. And I'll see you guys on the next time. I'm signing out. Peace.